Okay, well, I hope y'all have enjoyed the car videos as of late. I figured that I've kind of been struggling for content since I haven't done any mowers. But if you do like doing, or if you do like watching lawnmower videos, lawnmower repair videos, videos just related to lawn equipment, that's mostly what this channel is about. Just kind of expanding it to a little bit of car repair videos since I am kind of in the quiet part of the season now. I'm late in the summer, early in the fall, and I'm still waiting on my customer return mowers, which I specialize in, so to speak, to come in. In my 2007 Honda Fit, I'm about to change the cabin air filter. This will be a really quick video. These are good to change. I think I've changed this one once since I've had the car. I think I've got close to 25,000 miles on the cabin filter. It's located in the glove box of the car. And so what you got to do, open the glove box. You have to pull the glove box tabs in like so, and that will actually get you access to the cabin air filter, which is right here. So take your fingers, and there's two tabs on the side. Just pull the tabs out. Again, I do this because some people take their stuff to the dealer just to do simple stuff like this that you can do at home, and they charge you $20, $30 in labor. As you can see, this filter is in semi-rough shape. Still not terrible, but I like to breathe clean air inside my car whenever I have the AC and stuff on. Although I do love riding with the windows down. But again, if I can get it out, it just slides out just like so, like I just did. As you can tell, it's a little on the dirty side. You can tell what the input is, but so we're replacing it. You can get these online for about $6 plus shipping. So this is a less than $10 fix. You can go to an auto parts store and pay about $12, $13. Less than $20, so to speak. So I got the new one here. We're going to open it up. Alright, got it open. You see it with the sides that says airflow. See, I'll remember how the other one came out. And you can also see right here, the airflow is pointing down. I don't know if y'all can see that. So match the airflow pointing down to the airflow pointing down on your cabin air filter, and the hard sides go on the side. So you'll have soft sides and hard sides to this. The hard sides, i.e. the side that has airflow on it, will go on the side of the cabin air filter. Just slide it down like so. Pop it in, and it just slides in like you slide in a VHS tape or a 8-track, or if anybody even knows what those are anymore. I am only 26 and I do know what they are. So slides right in with the tabs and you're good to go. You put your glove box up, put your stuff back in the glove box. Just push, you just got to push the side of the glove box in. There you go. Put all your stuff back in. You're good to go. Again, this is just a quick video. I just wanted to show you how to change a cabin air filter in a Honda Fit. I know my Element's kind of similar in nature to getting to the cabin air filter, although it is a little bit different. Hopefully I've saved a couple of people a few bucks in labor and a few bucks in parts cost. So again, that's kind of my goal of the Ultimate channel. If you want to see more videos and then the occasional car repair video, feel free to subscribe. Feel free to give feedback and any comments. Thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned for the next video, which should be me doing the differential fluid change in my Element. So stay tuned for that. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for the support.